Hello everyone. Today there's something new with the SmartSearchWP plugin. You know, the WordPress plugin, the AI chatbot boosted with artificial intelligence. New today, you now have all the ChatGPT models at your disposal. Let's head over to my browser right now. And so here on version 2.7.0, you have different ChatGPT models, the models that are accessible with your key. So depending on your account, you'll have more or fewer models. And here you have the models recommended for the chatbot and then the other models. So recommended models for the chatbot, what does that mean? It means these are models designed for chatting, so not models designed for reasoning, which are more expensive, slower, and will take more time. Here, we really have the models made for the chatbot that are maintained and always active for ChatGPT. So every time you change, you'll see the context it takes here. Well, it's 16,000 tokens with a maximum output of 4,000 tokens. So it's quite light, it's very small. And so every time you'll have the recommendations why to use it, and also the points of attention with, for example, here for 3.5, well, the quality is necessarily lower than the new models and the models really made for that today. And you'll see that by changing models each time, you'll get information on the model, you'll get recommendations, and you'll get warnings. For the other models, so the reasoning models like ChatGPT 01, indeed, we have a context of 1 million tokens here. We have an output of 128,000 tokens. We have quite a few things that are different. On the other hand, obviously the cost will be higher and then it's going to be much slower. You see here in the warnings, the cost is higher, but there's a longer latency time. Why? It's normal. It's a model made for reasoning. And so the warning is to say it's overkill for simple Q&A or for a chat. And you have the note here telling you prefer 4.0 or 4.01 instead, which are really made for that. And we have the same thing for the different reasoning models. There you go, you can use them. You'll get slightly different answers, but it's a bit slower. The models I recommend are the model that's been there from the start, the 4.0, which is really perfect for Q&A and discussion with users, web users in a chatbot. The 4.01 is very, very good too, but you have a higher cost and it's a bit slower. And then you have all the mini models which are pretty good too for the chatbot. It's up to you to try. I'm sticking with the 4.0 because frankly, so far it's really convinced me. Maybe I'll try the mini because it's a bit cheaper. But there you go. So today you have all the versions available to be able to power your chatbot with the different AI models. Other models will follow because I've already been asked several times, like Mistral, which is the French AI. If you have other AI requests, well, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments. It's always a pleasure, well, first of all, to have comments, and then secondly, to see in which direction you'd like the plugin to go. So that was all for me. I'll see you very soon. Take care of yourself and take care of others. Bye-bye.